Alright guys, today we are going to discuss backtesting on iTrade Pro. As you would all be aware, backtesting your strategies is very important, and that is how you come to know that whether the strategies that you are following are actually profitable or not. So backtesting is usually done on your historical data, and based on that the profitability, percentage profitability is calculated. So here I've opened the latest version of iTrade Pro. Please note the version is 2.1.0. And this we have released along with the trade screener. We have released ProBacktest and Charter. So today I'm going to concentrate on ProBacktest. Later on in some other session we'll take up Charter. So when you open this, go to ProBacktest, and here I'm going to load one backtesting strategy. Let's suppose I have a EMA cross strategy. To check the strategy, I'll just click here and see that EMA 5 EMA is greater than EMA 20, and one day before, that is 1 here, EMA 5 is less than EMA 20. So this is a crossover, EMA crossover, and entry should be made when you have an EMA crossover, and exit when your close is less than the open. Okay, when you have a red candlestick. Okay, along with this, some stop loss and other conditions can also be specified. This strategy defining, this will be available on the website, and I'll take a session on how to create these conditions. But as of now, let's see how powerful this backtesting application is. Okay, I'm okay with this. Now coming here to the I'll explain this. Let's just run this, and for the time it takes to complete the run, we'll discuss about all these parameters. Right now I am taking 90 days. Let's say my trading size is 10%, T plus 1. Okay, and then I go to select script and I select all of Nifty 50. I'm done, and I just run. So while this is running, the backtesting is running, and as you can see at the bottom of the screen, trades are being created for Z and likewise for other scripts. So let's just discuss what these parameters are. As you can see, the initial setup, I need to define what my initial equity would be, initial capital would be. So here I've taken as 1 lakh. You can customize this as per your requirement. And trade sizing is 10% of the equity. What this means that I want not more than 10,000. 10% of 1 lakh should be invested in one trade. So based on that, number of contracts and the profitability is tested. Then you need to specify some brokerage. Here I've taken 0.2%, and you need to be sure that this is a two-way, buying and selling, right? So next is start trade and end trade. All this system is for the swing trades. So I want, when I come back home in the evening and I run this screener, I should get the trades. So that means when at day T I have got a trade, I'm going to initiate it the next day. So this is T plus 1. The start of the trade would be the open on T plus 1, and then likewise once I've initiated a trade, I'm going to continuously monitor it. So the end trade, whenever the condition is met, the trade should end at day T. So this is what it means. And at the bottom you have run parameters, like I want to test the strategies for the last 30 days, last 60 days, 90 days, or the maximum data is available. So when we are going for maximum data, it's going to check for the past 1 year or 2 years, a lot of data to be tested. So that's why there is a limit of maximum 10 scripts. Otherwise, for others, you can test as many as you want. So here we have, and while the trades are being created for, you can see DRAD and all the other scripts. So I'm going to pause this video for a while. So let this complete, and then we can discuss about the output. Alright guys, so the run has completed. As you can see, now this is the screen which I get after the trade is completed. This is the performance summary for the backtest. As you can see that based on this parameter which I've specified, the gross profit which I could take out of the trades is 6,700, and gross loss is around 7,600. But the net, I'm in loss. Why I'm in loss is because some commission is also being paid, and the profit factor is 0.8. This is very bad. I need at least more than 1.2 or 1.3 to break even. So total number of trades were 116, winning were 40 and losing was 76. So the percentage is 34. This shows that the conditions which I've put in the application are not good, and I should not be using them for my trades. So this is average net trade profit, average ratio, loss to win, then a winning trade maximum what I could get, and average how much profit I could get, and how maximum number of winning trades and maximum number of losing trades, along with average bars in winning trade. So bars in total trade is 200, profit loss doesn't matter, but for 200 number of days my capital was invested in the market, and I should have been worried. And also if you can see that total commission paid is a huge 2000 something. So this is something I need to be worried about, if I'm using this condition. So what is happening is in the last 90 days I'm getting too many trades, maybe false signals, but it is not good as far as profitability is concerned. And this is the equity chart. I have started with 1 lakh and down to somewhat 97,000 have come down. So this is not good. This is minus 900, and this commission, so this commission is eating me now. So I should be aware of all this. So this is it. And if I want to check what all trades I had actually taken with these conditions, I can have a look for the last 90 days for Z, Yes Bank, Wipro. As you can see, these zero trades, they mean that some entry was initiated, but since there was no exit, so the trade was null and void, so this was ignored. So all these trades are there, and you can see that number of days the trade ran, and number of contracts I traded, and what was the profit loss for each trade, and what was the commission paid. So commission also I need to adjust if I have a discount broker or full broker, so I need to adjust this. And at the bottom, this time we have included one charter. This charter is very helpful. As you can see, I can simply put, let's suppose, a zeal I can put here, and I will get its data. What is happening? Okay, maybe. So this is the charter, as you can see. Okay, this time we have included charter, and once you update the data, so like just once or twice I need to update because it has to fetch the data, as you can see. So this shows that what is the condition, and I once it set it. Yes, so here I can see that EMAs 5, 10, 20, 30, along with channel Bollinger Bands, Keltner channels, and regression analysis. This also we can discuss sometime later. And at the bottom we have MACD signals and volatility. So this is one view of the charter. So all this is what backtesting is, and actually for a successful trades we need to backtest a lot of strategies to arrive at what is optimum for us. Sometimes it so happens is some strategy would be very successful in the last 30 days, but when you take a longer turn for 90 days or maximum data, that strategy is not very profitable. So all these conditions we need to be aware of, and continuously we need to see what is the changing market condition and how are the strategies performing. Alright, so this is what about ProBacktest. Thank you for watching this video.